Stop wasting your day on these hidden time traps right now. Falling into the multitasking trap. Splitting your attention between multiple complex tasks simultaneously lowers your cognitive performance and stretches single jobs into day-long struggles. Constant context switching between emails and projects drains your mental energy and forces you to restart your thought process repeatedly. Believing you are saving time by doing everything at once actually increases errors and adds hours of revision work to your schedule. Don't forget to mention the number of the flaw that impacts you the most in the comments. Operating without daily prioritization. Starting your workday without clear priorities leads you to waste your peak morning energy on trivial administrative tasks instead of critical goals. Treating every single incoming request as an emergency keeps you reactive and prevents you from making progress on long-term projects. An unplanned schedule ensures that you finish the day feeling completely exhausted without actually completing your most impactful work. The perfectionism paralysis. Spending endless hours tweaking minor details on a project delays your delivery and prevents you from moving on to other high-value tasks. Waiting for the absolute perfect conditions before starting a difficult task serves as a hidden form of procrastination that kills momentum. Overanalyzing your work creates unnecessary loops of revision that expand your timelines without adding real value for the client. Underestimating task duration. Planning fallacy. Assuming complex projects will take half the time they actually require wrecks your calendar and leaves you rushing to meet tight deadlines. Failing to include buffer zones for unexpected technical glitches or sudden interruptions guarantees your daily schedule will fall apart by noon. Overcommitting to clients based on unrealistic timelines leads to chronic stress and a significant drop in the quality of your output. Saying yes to low-value commitments. Accepting every meeting request and non-essential favor leaves you with absolutely zero time to focus on your own primary business revenue drivers. Pleasing others at the expense of your own career schedule results in a backlog of important tasks that forces you to work late nights. Establishing healthy boundaries with colleagues protects your schedule and earns respect for the professional value of your time. Don't forget to mention the number of the flaw that impacts you the most in the comments. Working through natural energy lows. Forcing yourself to grind through extreme afternoon fatigue results in slow progress and poor quality work that requires fixing later. Aligning your most demanding analytical tasks with your personal high-energy hours allows you to complete them in half the time. Strategic short breaks actually restore your cognitive focus far better than struggling forward through a haze of physical exhaustion. Digital distraction reactivity. Checking every smartphone chime immediately shatters your deep work focus and costs you up to 20 minutes to regain full concentration. Leaving social media tabs open during your core work hours creates a constant mental temptation that slowly drains your willpower. Using dedicated focus applications to block notifications helps protect your brain's flow state and accelerates task completion. Relying completely on memory. Trying to remember all your appointments and project deadlines mentally increases your daily anxiety and ensures critical tasks slip through. Writing ideas down instantly clears your working memory, leaving your mind free to solve complex problems instead of hoarding basic data. A centralized task management tool ensures your business operations remain organized, predictable, and completely stress-free. Mismanaging meeting lengths. Allowing standard business meetings to drag on for an hour without a rigid agenda wastes valuable team hours on circular discussions. Replacing long discussions with concise status emails keeps your entire organization productive and focused on execution. Setting a strict timer for every call forces participants to remain highly focused on decisions rather than casual small talk. Neglecting rest and recovery. Skipping essential nightly sleep to work longer hours triggers severe burnout and dramatically lowers your cognitive performance the next day. Treating continuous weekends as overtime work blocks your brain from processing learning and creative problem-solving ideas. Prioritizing structured daily recharge periods gives you the long-term stamina needed to achieve sustainable professional growth. Don't forget to mention the number of the flaw that impacts you the most in the comments.